Oh. Alright, so, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we're going to do,
Smoke demonstration.
we're inside the house, okay?
Yeah.
All of a sudden we start to get the smoke.
Uh-oh. Here comes the smoke.
Okay, what do you guys do when you see smoke?
What should we do? Get on the
Get
ground.
low to the ground.
All the smoke, watch the smoke.
There you go. Get low to the ground.
Guys, watch the smoke. Everybody come.
Okay, let it more
There
come.
you go. There you go. Cause see, the smoke doesn't come all the way down.
Keep going.
There you go. Good job.
Yeah, that's what it looks like when the house is on fire.
Alright.
But it gets a little darker than this.
Going down low. Okay, alright, everybody go ahead and start going out.
Okay.
Start going out.
Okay, crawl
You want to
low.
get out and stay
Get
low.
out, we want to crawl. Stand up when you get out. Don't stand up till you get out the door. Stay down.
There you go.
There you go.
Good
Stay
job.
on the ground. There you go. You
Good
don't want to
job.
breathe the smoke in. You'll pass out.
Good job.
Ready? Good? Alright,